just want to congratulate Rahul ji. He's honouring all the unsung heroes, the small entrepreneurs from the small scale industries, the MSMEs, and they are contributing towards our nation's economy. And they truly, I think, not given their due. And he very kindly does this, event where he is recognizing them and he's honouring them. So congratulations, and it's a great endeavour.
The main purpose, the main goal of Brand Empower's Global Excellence Award is to shine a spotlight on such business owners who are actually hidden gems in our nation. जब तक बिजनेस आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, मेरा मानना है देश आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put our hands together for Shilpa Shetty. Congratulations, everybody! Okay, we have Shilpa ma'am with us in the house. Everybody make some noise! And before we move on, Rahul, can I please have you up on stage to felicitate Shilpa ma'am? और जोरदार तालियां for Rahul Ranjan Singh as well. Proudly partnered by digital marketing partner, we have WebPulse Solution Private Limited, radio partner Radio City, CSR partner WebPulse Foundation, B2B partner is GetManufacturers.com, e-commerce partner is LocalDukan.com, wellness partner is NaturalTherapyIndia.com. Now, from an impressive pool of over 30,000 nominations, Brand Empower has meticulously selected the top 120 winners across various sectors. Now, these sectors include manufacturing, services, healthcare, education, real estate, tours, travels, beauty, wellness, and spirituality. And not just these sectors, but apart from this, the glamour world is also with us tonight. From the world of Bollywood, television, OTT platforms, the dynamic realms of YouTube and influencers are also going to be joining us tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with Global Excellence Awards 2024. Everybody make some noise! And next award, ladies and gentlemen, in this category we have the most influential celebrity photographer, and we all know who it is. Make some noise for Dabbu Ratnane!
It's been over 25 years in the industry, but it always feels good to get an award and be appreciated. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello and good evening. I have with me the very iconic Dabbu Ratnane. और हर इंसान जो एक्टर बनना चाहता है और मुंबई में एक सपना लेके आता है, वो यही ख्वाब देखता है कि डब्बू जी कभी मेरा फोटोशूट करें. And I have him with me right now. Firstly, congratulations on winning this award today. How are you feeling?
It's always great, to be appreciated. I mean, I've been in the industry 25 plus years, but I treat every day like as it's my first day at work, and it's always good when you're, being appreciated and your work is being appreciated. So really, really happy, and thank you for the whole team who's given me this award.
You've worked with like you name every big person in the industry, and you've clicked them. So if I have to ask you on the camera, who would be your favorite person to click?
I don't have one favorite person.
Okay, I give you 3 then, but not more than that. You can't be diplomatic, come on.
It's really, really tough because, like you said, I worked with most actors and sports celebrities and industrialists and all. So I think for a photographer, the main thing is your muse for the day. You should be, totally in love with them and kind of give it your best. So for me, every day is a new day, and I literally, when I'm shooting, suppose if I'm shooting, say, hypothetically, Alia, for that 15th time or the 100th time or whenever I'm shooting with her, I'm thinking, okay, what new will I try? What different will I try? Same thing with Mr. Bachchan. If I've shot, say, 1,000 times, then today I'm shooting him again and I want to see what do I try new. So, I can't choose one person, you know, so it's very difficult. And keep trying to challenge myself and to make myself improve and get inspired. For me, I treat like every day of work to be my first day at work, and I put in my 100%. Whether I'm working with a newcomer or whether I'm working with a top star, I'm putting it as much effort, and I try each one to feel that what I'm putting into that shoot, they should feel that. They should feel my presence. They should feel that special attention that I'm giving, even if it's a newcomer. Doesn't matter, you know, if he's not done even one film.
I think they rightly say the smartest person in the room always thinks that he knows the least. And I think that's exactly what you said.
So I think it's a great opportunity for everyone, and it's a recognized talent to kind of, you know, give these awards and encourage people to go further. So thank you, Rahul, and thank you the whole team for this beautiful award. Thank you.
That was Dapur Ratnani with me. Thank you so much, Dapur.